If 7 plus y is equal to 4 mod 8, find the least value of y such that y is between -10 and 30. So y is greater than or equal to 10 and less than or equal to 30. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question and then we will choose the correct option. Because this is a multiple choice question, we can easily substitute these options into the equation and see which one satisfies it. So let's begin with the first one, which is 21. So when y is equal to 21, when y is equal to 21, 7 plus y will become 7 plus 21, and this will give us 28. So let's find the value of 28 in mode 8 and see if we will get 4. Remember, the value of a number in a given modulus is the remainder you have after you have divided the number by the modulus. So the value of 28 in mode 8 will be the remainder we will have after we have divided 28 by 8. When you divide 28 by 8, you have 3 remainder 4. So it means that the value of 28 in mode 8 is 4, which is the remainder. So it means that when y is equal to 21, this equation will be true because 7 plus 21 will give us 28, and the value of 28 in mode 8 is 4. So it satisfies the equation. So when y is 21, this equation will be true. Let's test for the other ones too and see. The next one is when y is equal to 19. When y is equal to 19, 7 plus y will be 7 plus 19, and that will give us 26. The value of 26 in mode 8 is 2, because when we divide 26 by 8, we are going to have 3 remainder 2. As you can see, when y is equal to 19, this equation will be false, because when y is equal to 19, 7 plus y will be 26. And the value of 26 in mode 8 is 2. Here, we know that the value of 7 plus y in mode 8 should be 4. The value of 7 plus y in mode 8 we are having here is 2. So it means that when y is equal to 19, this equation will not be true. Let's test for the other ones too and see. The next one is when y is equal to 13. When y is equal to 13, 7 plus y will be 7 plus 13, which is 20. The value of 20 in mode 8 is 4, because 20 divided by 8 is 2 remainder 4. As you can see, when y is equal to 13, the equation is satisfied, because 7 plus 13 will give us 20, and the value of 20 in mode 8 will give us 4. So when y is equal to 13, this equation is true. So it means that the equation is true for y is equal to 13. Remember, we have found out that it is true for y is equal to 21. And right now we have seen that it is also true for y is equal to 13. Let's test the last one and see. The last one is when y is equal to 11. When y is equal to 11, 7 plus y will be 7 plus 11, and that will give us 18. The value of 18 in mode 8 is 2, because 18 divided by 8 will give us 2 remainder 2. This shows that when y is equal to 11, this equation will be false, because we know that the value of 7 plus y in mode 8 should give us 4. When y is equal to 11, 7 plus y is giving us 18, and the value of 18 in mode 8 is 2. So it means that for this particular equation, y cannot be 11. So we have two options here, between y is equal to 21 and y is equal to 13. Now let's look at the question so that we can pick the correct one. The question says we should find the least value of y. So even though these two values will both satisfy the equation, the question wants us to pick the least value of y. Between 21 and 13, the least is 13. And so it means that the least value of y that will satisfy this equation is 13. 13 is option C.